want you to do is take your tongue and put it behind the back of your bottom teeth. So take your tongue and put it behind the back of your bottom teeth. Everybody say, Mom. And the magical experience. Okay, if you have to see this, that's fine. You just have to go see that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is as you have your tongue behind your bottom teeth, breathe in with your mouth like this. And then breathe out. Adults, feel free to try this one unless you never get stressed. Breathe in with your tongue, with your mouth, with your tongue on the bottom. And breathe out. How many of you feel the cold air come over your body and calms you down? So that's one way to calm ourselves down.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.